Karnataka. Karnataka, formerly Mysore state, is a state in the southwestern region of India. It was renamed to Karnataka in 1973. Karnataka shares its borders with Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Goa. Karnataka state is bordered by Arabian Sea. Karnataka has Western Ghats in its borders, with Mullayanagiri of Chikmagalur being the highest peak of Karnataka. In Karnataka, there are presently 28 Lok Sabha, 12 Rajya Sabha, and 224 seats. East of major rivers flowing in the state is Krishna River, Kaveri, Pennar, Netravati, Kali Nadi, Manjra, Palar, Sharavati, Bhima River, Tungabhadra. Major waterfalls of Karnataka are Jog Falls, Hebbe Falls, Chunchi Falls, Shivanasamudra Falls, Abbe Falls, Kalhatti Falls, and Sathodi Falls. Major national parks are Anshi, Kudremukh, Nagarhole, Bandipur, Bannerghatta. There are around 524 tigers according to the census in Karnataka. Bangalore is the capital city of Karnataka. It's also known as Silicon City due to its major IT hub. Belgaum or Belagavi is the second capital of Karnataka. The other major city of Karnataka is Mangalore, which is also known as Commercial City as it is connected with all four means of transport, that is, by air, by rail, by road, and by sea. The next two major cities are Hubli and Dharwad, though they are two separate cities but they are called as twin cities. Hubli is also known as Mini Mumbai and Dharwad is also known as Vidyanagari, Vidyakashi or Pedanagari. One of the historical city of Karnataka is Mysore, which is famous for its historical monuments and cleanliness. Thank you. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel, like and share, and press the bell icon for the latest update.